Hey honey buns, welcome to another vlog. This is my semester 4 practical exams vlog. I had 3 psychology practical subjects: stats, clinical psych, and positive psych. And I tried to record my experience as authentically as possible. It shows everything: cramming before exams, late night studying, messy sleeping schedules, and honest reflection of my exams. Happy watching.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Himali Raheja. मैं हूँ हिमाली and welcome you all to yet another episode of Thrive with Himali. This is Sem 4 के practicals का vlog. I am heading back to the college today. भैया मेरे को छोड़ कर आ रहे हैं. It is 10:30 right now. I'll show you what I'm wearing and it's very basic, like very basic. And then we're gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna leave. After a very long time, I have reached my room and I have to get this file bind. तो चलो पहले bind करा के आते हैं. मैंने lunch कर लिया था अगर. अब I'll just go get the file bind and then I'm gonna put the bed sheet on and like just get to resting for some time and then studying. इसका practical है and I have not studied anything. I have cleaned everything and I'm laying down for some time because I'm very tired. And I'm gonna start studying at 4. It is currently 3:45 something. 15-20 minutes में I'll sit and study. So yeah. Why won't you talk to me? I was in a crazy flow state from 5:30 to 7. 7 बजे कॉल आया and I was talking about some modeling gig to somebody and I got so distracted. तब से it's 8 AM right, 8 PM right now. AM हो गए तो लग जाने वाले हैं मेरे. But मेरा सामान ऐसे कैसे पड़ा है कितनी देर से I have no idea. I'll quickly complete the basic concepts. फिर मेरे को डिप्रेशन के बारे में पढ़ना है. Then I have to ROL, then methodology, then results. This is how I'll go about the practical. So let me just quickly get to it and get this done because ऐसे तो नहीं चलने वाला है. ऐसे तो नहीं चलने वाला है हिमालय.
Dawn, fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on.
So let's go and have dinner. Ice cream मिल रही है आज.
Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
Alright you guys, it is 12. Not even 12 and I am done with my preparation. मेरा सुबह reporting time is at 10:30. So I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and do one final last revision. I have kept everything यही कर ही the file and the register जिसमें मैंने लिखे हैं notes बनाए हैं. So yeah, I'm just gonna kill some time अभी and then sleep and then wake up at like 9ish tomorrow morning. Revise for the practical and then get ready, go get the practical and everything. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. This is the day of the practical. I've just woken up. It's 9:30 after the court in 1 hour. So we are gonna do the one last revision and then get ready and head to the lab. So yeah, let's get to it. Revising the notes. I still have to revise the file, but it's 10:05 abhi. So I'm just getting ready and everything. I am wearing my jewelry stack abhi. I wear this watch and this bracelet on a regular basis. It looks very pretty. And then I'm gonna get quickly ready and then leave for the practical, like for the going to the lab and for देखते हैं practical. Honestly, I'm not scared today because I think I'm prepared. But हमेशा यही होता है. I always think I'm prepared and then we go to the lab and then first batch वाले आते हैं. पता है ये पूछ रहे हैं, पता है तुम्हें इसका? Then we are like, we We are dead. We don't know anything. Anyways, I'll quickly get ready and leave.
Find my way to you. Yeah. I want to find my way to you. You, my love. There's so many people.
It is 12 p.m. and I'm heading back to the hostel. My practical is done. It went pretty good. The writing part was also good only. उसी में time लग गया majorly. So I was done with my practical very early in class. Like I could have been able to go back to the hostel अगर मैंने थोड़ा जल्दी लिख लिया होता, but it's fine. It went well overall. So yeah, the room is a mess. So before I sit down, I'm quickly gonna clean, and then I'm gonna sit down.
Who say that they won't when they will. I could use some motivation.
My room is all clean, मतलब काम चल जाएगा. So now I'm gonna sit with my laptop and I'm clean and watch a movie. Happy.
It's over and that's the end. Faster than you like.
I am done with lunch. I'm back in the room and now I'm gonna watch the second part of Legally Blonde. फिर मैं सो जाने वाली हूँ. I am absolutely enjoying this movie. इतनी crazy movie I've seen after a very long time. It was good. Now I will just watch the second part and then sleep.
I don't need a reason to say what I want when it's real.
After practically wasting the last 2 days, not wasting but like not studying for the last 2 days, I am here on the 8th of May at 6 p.m. I'm just starting my prep. I have the saman with here and let's just begin because I have 2 files to learn and like prepare for. So yeah, let's do this. Abhi I'm just using ChatGPT to just get the information instead of referring to the book. Book मैं पढ़ने वाली हूँ. I always do that. I always use ChatGPT initially and then refer to the study material given by the teacher so that कुछ भी miss ना हो. That is how I do prepare for every exam.
Catching a feeling of wonder.
जो written stats की theory है उसका I am done with, I guess, with my preparation. I'm done with like 60% of it because मेरे को बस chi-square test के बारे में पढ़ना है. I've done independent t-test, like I've done t-test, all of it. I've done inferential stats and the other basics जो मुझे लग रहा है कि important हैं, आ सकते हैं and stuff. तो उसके बाद I have to do both of the files and बस अब तो दोनों files ही बची हैं majorly and the theory that is there in the files and like procedure and everything. So basically just the 2 files. After I'm done with chi-square.
Calling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biting your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your?
I watched another vlog after this and then I'll sit for learning the ROL and the researchers because stats ka teacher loves researchers. So that is what I'm going to do. It is going to be a long night because I spent most of the day sleeping, so I won't mind. And I think I'll be writing positive psychology का practical जो मेरा अगला practical है. उसकी file I have to write and get it checked tomorrow. So that is also something that I have to do. After having taken that break, I sat down to revise the file of statistics, and then I began writing the positive psychology's file at 1:30 a.m. in the night. And I was writing till it was sunrise, and I had not slept the whole night. I did not read the book because I was writing the file. Since I had to get it checked, it was a miserable night. And well, a spoiler, I was talking to Manya because some tea could not wait, so I spent like an hour talking to my best friend. Good morning, people. This is 7:30 on 9th of May 2026. I did not sleep the whole night because initially I was studying for the Stats Ka practical, then I was writing the positive file. But I was talking to Manya because tea could not wait. And then I was just wasting some time. 1 ghanta waste kiya maine. Not waste, like I was just doing random stuff. Then I had to write the file again at 7:30 and I've still not completed the file.
It's so damn sunny right now and it's breezy, so it's pleasant. I've come downstairs in a water bottle and I'm gonna sit here for a while. I might go and have some tea. I have no idea what I'm gonna do because I honestly have no idea. मेरी preparation हो चुकी है stats की. So I do not, like, I just have to do one last division. Just मुझे आधा घंटा लगेगा, dude. I don't have to stay up all the time. But I don't want to sleep because I know if I sleep I won't wake up. So I'm just here killing time so that I don't sleep and I don't sleep over through my practical exam. Wish me luck, guys. It's gonna be hell of a day.
To have some chai. Look very achieve, I know. I burnt my thumb. Chai गिरा दी मैंने अपने thumb पे and it's like genuinely उबलती हुई चाय थी तो it's burnt. Now I'm back. Write the file, revise, and like get ready and everything, and I'll see you at 10:15ish, right before my practical. Wait, transition करना है. My practical is done. This is probably the worst practical that I've given in all of the last 2 years. I thought, well, I had a bad feeling about it. कल से I knew I was not prepared enough. I knew कुछ ना कुछ पूछ लेंगे जो मुझे नहीं आता होगा. And even I sucked at the written test also because I was writing बहुत ही crazily and last में teacher का mood swing हुआ and she's like just give me the sheets back and then I could not write. 4 चीज़ें पूछी थी question में, 2 मैं लिख ही नहीं पाई हूँ. Then file check होनी थी. List के according my number was supposedly at 3 and then some crazy classmates use their amazing brains and कितने पे check हुई है मेरी? 7th पे. Still better, but I have not slept and my viva was so shitty. Hi, this is probably the shittiest day I've had. No, not the shittiest, but like academic wise is what I'm saying. Hello people, this is after 2 days. I have literally been in bed for the last 2 days. I have not done anything. I've been so bored. मैं Good Doctor देख रही हूँ. I am on episode 7, season 3, and I restarted watching yesterday, and I watched like 10-12 episodes. I know, very crazy. What's up, everybody? This is the next day, 12th of May. कल 13th को मेरा practical है. The room is somewhat a mess, but अभी मैं snacks खाने जा रही हूँ because I'm very hungry. I took a bath. फिर I'll come and clean and then I'm gonna sit to study because last practical है यार, तो बस पढ़ के ख़त्म करते हैं. फिर I'll back because I'm going home tomorrow. I'm so excited. I am back in my room and I was getting into the scrolling wala spiral. But before I do that, I'll quickly clean this up and wash the bartan and then sit to study because I have a practical tomorrow and I cannot not study. It took me 40-45 minutes to clean the room and now everything is all clean. I am now going to sit and study and I'll complete the Adha unit that I was doing yesterday. Adha unit I'll do after the practicals once I'm home. But I'll complete that and then I'm going to sit with the file. So let's go. Here I am using ChatGPT to get the material for my practical file. I have my practical file over here. So I have my practical file. I'll give it the practical file and I've told it to give me anything important. So yeah, let me just retrieve the material. It's 7:30 right now. Arre. I cannot believe how complicated I make things for myself. But I'm gonna study for the next 20 minutes. और फिर मैं लंच करने जाऊँगी 8:40 पे and I'm gonna study without music because with music तो नहीं हो रहा है वो मुझे दिख रहा है कि with music I'm just getting distracted and I don't feel like studying. But we have to study. That is something that we have to do. So that is what we are going to do because we don't have an option. पहले पढ़ लिया होता तो ये नौबत ना आती, मतलब कल पढ़ लिया होता तो ये नौबत ना आ रही होती. But ठीक है, whatever I studied yesterday, it will help me with the basic understanding of the subject because positive psychology is a new branch. We've never studied positive psychology. So yeah, lip gloss लगा लेते हैं. Now let's get to studying. मैं नीचे गई थी actually to figure out this stuff and I figured everything out कि मुझे क्या क्या पढ़ना है, कौन सा topic. Because it's a new subject to figure out करना will be मुश्किल and like 12th में भी 11th 12th में भी नहीं पढ़ा है, so like entirely a new subject. So yes. This is how my setup looks. I have some company. I have the topics that I need to do and ChatGPT and file का part 1 and file का part 2 and I have my notes over here. So let's go. Intro to what we are. The dinner break was way too long. Now let's get back to studying. Done with psychological well-being. We'll start perceived stress का portion in like 15 more minutes. 10 minutes to 12 and now I'm just gonna sit with after like 10 minutes I will be sitting with the actual file. So I'll do the methodology section and the review of literature. I've done the rationale of the study and all of that. I've done basic concepts, I've done rationale. I'll do ROL and methodology. इसके बाद it will take another hour और उसके बाद discussion and results करना, that will take another hour. I'll sleep by 3-4 because my practical is at 12, so I can easily wake up at 10 tomorrow and like, you know. Good morning you guys, this is the next day. Even though I'm not slept, I barely slept. I am all dressed up. I'll show you the fit बाहर जाके. I look nice, I feel good उसकी वजह से. But I'm gonna take my stuff and go and sit near the lab and revise वहाँ पे जाके, because I don't want to be any more anxious, because मुझे लग रहा है कि somehow कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा, मेरा practical छूट जाएगा. So let's just go and let my brain calm down. Alrighty, तो मैं lab के पास एक क्लास में आके बैठ गई. I have my file over here and I have my notes over here, and now I'm gonna sit and revise because I just knew कि मुझसे रूम में रिवाइज नहीं होता. It is 10:23 right now. I think I'll be done in like max 20-30, max 40 minutes. Alright everyone, I'm all packed and ready to go. I've changed my clothes because वो थोड़ा appropriate नहीं था for roadways. It's so hot outside, but I'm off to home and I am so excited to go. Also, yes, my practical went well, actually very good. I think the best would be UMD, then this positive, then stats. This is how this is the series how my practicals went. But yeah, I think this is it for this vlog. I will be seeing you guys with a brand new vlog very soon when I get back to home. I don't have storage, so I'll have to like edit a few vlogs and then post them, and then uske baad I'll be able to record the next vlogs. So wish me luck with that, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video very soon. Until then, take care of yourself, spread love, love yourself too, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video very soon. Until then, bye.